My name's Cheryl, and welcome to Weekly Sound Bites. Each video covers one sound in English to help improve your pronunciation. In this video, we'll look at the sound that R makes, Your lips are apart, teeth gently together, and your tongue is flat, so it touches the sides of your back teeth. Good. Okay, let's practice some words with the sound. Repeat after me. Run, ride, read, car, cheer. Great. Okay, look for some other words in English that have the sound so you can keep practicing. See you next time.